just like that. One's in a triangle. There's three in a triangle. Two to its left, two to its right. Christmas colors. Yeah, man, that's like O'Hare, maybe West Side O'Hare, York Road at 20 at 19, Irving. See, and that's what they did that night, man. It's great. Plus, there we go. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a super fast one going right to left. Possibly a plane, but yeah, I don't know. Not planes. The stupid part about doing it with the camera is I just want to look at this with my eyes. I want to see it real time. But we have to do this for a little while. Let's see, one's up here and then change. Look at those two, one above each other. That's cool. Yeah. And the top one seems to be hovering a bit to going to its left. I guess that's the north. Uh, one way over to the right at the tree line. That's cool, man. And that one time you saw in the video that from the 21st that